good morning. What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
Time is 6:30. Saying good morning because सुबह से ना the weather is exactly like
Like literally, I woke up very late last night. We had a movie session.
We played cricket. We came back home.
We had dinner outside.
Then we came back home. We watched a movie, A1 Express.
A1 Express, Telugu movie. And slept in the night at about 3:34. I slept at 4.
I slept at 5. I was playing PS5 and all.
So useless fellow. And then I woke up in the morning at about 10:30. And I thought honestly that it was about 5:36.
What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlog.
Already cheppara. Ippudera. Mane, like how can somebody not listen to a 1 minute of conversation?
Okay. So yesterday we generally schedule our cricket sessions on Sundays, but we preponed it and we played yesterday.
It was a good choice, luckily, because the weather gods were not friendly.
It was raining from the morning, since morning.
Yeah.
It stopped right now, but it might continue.
It was not a heavy rain, but it was a continuous rain throughout the entire day. And it's good, much needed.
We started playing cricket again after like what?
Yeah, last week and this week,
after
2 weeks.
Months, or 2 months or 3 months, we started playing cricket again.
Yeah, probably more than that. Yes, last week and this week, dono khele. Yesterday,
the body is like fixed.
Sust.
Yeah, my shoulder is like.
Yeah, we've
stuck.
been having very amazing matches. Yesterday we played 3 matches. First 2 matches were 10 overs. Third match was how many? 12 overs. First and the third match was epic. Like literally.
It went on till the last ball. So
literally.
the second match I lost.
Yeah, so we were in the opposite teams. Surprisingly, yesterday a lot of people were in black dresses. So whoever was wearing black, I was in black as well. And we won 2. Srujan's team won 1 match.
So let's go down. I guess I want to show you guys what happened to the Truxton. There's some.
अरे यार ये अच्छी रहे, ये क्यों हो रहा है पता नहीं यार. मैंने Triumph का सर्विस बोलो क्या बोलो, I don't know, but every time the bike is coming back from the service center थोड़ा लीक हो रहा है, ऑयल लीक ज़्यादा हो रहा है. So let's go down.
And we are extremely sorry. We have been super busy and super lazy, and we did not wash these 2 bikes after coming back from the trip. And it's still wet, na?
Yeah. Somewhere there's a small leak again, unfortunately. This time on the Truxton. Straight triple?
No, absolutely nothing.
Straight triple.
This is the old mark.
That's the old stains.
Old stains. Street triple is all fine. We just have to get it recoated with ceramic or PPF.
So the problem with the street triple is here. You see this portion, if I move it down, you can see there's a lot of reflection. The clear coat on this portion of the bike is gone.
We can get that thing done.
Yeah.
So we have already spoken to Wrap and Shine. He said he'll help us with this, and I'm actually getting a few messages regarding this bike, whether I'm selling it or not. First thing, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure whether I'm selling it or not, so I have to decide it. Then probably I'll come up with a price and a quotation, if there is any news as such in the future. But till now, this is going to be with me.
And these bikes are in dirty condition. One advantage with the Africa Twin is the color is such it doesn't look dirty, no?
No, it actually looks good if it's dirty.
Like this color manages dirt pretty well.
And there's no PPF on this.
Yeah, so we're planning to get it done as well. Because half of this bike is literally new. On the parts on it. And we have to wash that baby as well. Yes, and people who are not aware, all the broken parts are in these boxes here. So those were the amount of parts which had to be changed off this bike.
That's the suspension. It's a broken suspension.
Yeah, oh yeah. How heavy is it?
Huh?
How heavy is it?
5 kgs. 4-5 kgs.
Get it out of the light. It does happen, eh?
It does. यहाँ तक गया ना? So
I haven't held it once.
this is a upside down fork.
Yes. None of our bikes have conventional forks anymore. No, this is quite heavy,
4 to 5 kg?
Good. More, I guess.
It's more. Don't do that. If there's any suspension liquid, it will overflow.
No, there's liquid. I can. Let's wait. Let's.
Any which ways, that's a broken suspension. Try to compress it, you'll understand.
It's quite firm, actually, huh? I think you can adjust it with this, and honestly, I think we can learn a lot on how to do the adjustments with the suspension now.
The suspension on the Africa Twin is actually very soft. I want to firm it up a bit.
So we can actually do the testing on this, and we can understand on how does tweaking what change what.
Future mein?
Yes, because honestly, it is quite difficult because see, there's compression, there's tension, there's rebound.
There's damping.
Very technical words. You can read a lot about it, but in practical purposes, it's very difficult to fine tune a suspension unless you have a proper engineering setup for that. And advantage for my bike in that sense is all electronic. They're just numbers. So on this bike, you have this. You have to basically use a coin or a screwdriver and then turn the knob.
ऊपर से it is tension, okay? And at the bottom we have compression. There's a compression screw, and this is a tension screw.
Yeah, but adjusting how much does what we don't know. We have never tweaked along, no?
See,
we have softness and hardness in this.
There are 10 clicks.
Are you sure there are 10? I think pretty sure there are more than that. We'll do that.
10 clicks.
How about we do a video on completely, because this is utterly useless.
It's written H and S.
Yeah, the hard and soft
Hard and soft.
for the tension.
And
So-
for the compression,
Nothing.
hard and soft again.
Oh, it's written. Okay, nice.
So
we'll.
if
That is
you-
very easy now
if
that
you
we have an
turn it
extra
towards
complete
the hard,
suspension
probably
rod.
the suspension will be little
Both
firmer.
of us are talking over each other. I'm sorry. Say again.
If we turn the knob towards the hard side, I guess the suspension will firm up.
Yeah, but see, if you turn it hard on both, कितना hard होता है, कितना soft होता है.
You should balance both of them.
Exactly. So we'll do
Equal number of clicks on both the suspension.
Let's see. We'll try doing it in another video because we have an absolutely spare suspension rod, although it is not completely functional.
Spare suspension? Come here. Suspension, spare frame, spare visor.
I know.
And
Wait. Yeah. So look at that.
Police. Cat. I just wanted to say spare.
That scared him.
Sorry about that. I just needed 2 minutes to come out of that. So spare rims, stock
Yeah.
rims, stock tube rims, basically. We can actually
Build a semi-Africa twin cut dummy with all the parts we have.
we can actually, if at all, if in future I can get them outtakes done on them.
Yeah, true.
Because as far as my research goes, the stock rims, the tube wale rims are more rugged than the cross spoke rims.
Any day, dude. Any day, because the strength, you lose strength in that cross poking things. Definitely. So, but any which ways, till the time this is there, it will be there. We'll not use that.
Meanwhile, coming back from the trip, my dad gifted Agastya his first bike. Welcome. Chutku sa Benelli.
That's a Benelli TNT
1030?
1130, yeah.
1130. With exhaust at the rear. Below the seat.
Turn her on!
From the speakers.
हमारा छोटू अगस्त्य सामने has already broken this part.
On the second day.
और उसका surprisingly अच्छा है, हाँ? Accelerator है.
This is the brake?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Pretty effective brake.
That's effective, dude. Yeah, Chutku bike also good.
And this bike has one of the best features where only very few bikes in the world have. That is reverse.
Yep. Goldwing, you have a competition at our house now. So this is all the packing material. So we're using thermocol to pack all the big canvases also.
In fact, we have to pack 2 paintings today, and both kind of have a biking theme related to it. You guys
know this painting, right? The Royal Enfield. So the only difference since the last time you saw it is Shraddha's finished the final finishing touches. There's a frame around it,
and again, every painting we are going to sell from now onwards, we can offer you the services of the framing. We found a person who will do it at much lower prices than the market, because we're going to give multiple orders to him. And if you want to get it done from us, we can do it for you, obviously at an additional cost.
I love the hashtags, dude.
yeah.
Mom's gifts, first love, and first bike of my life.
Again, this is the Royal Enfield Classic 350. This is this person's very first bike.
People always have this doubt, you know, does Shraddha make paintings and then you buy whatever is there in the inventory? Answer is mostly no, because every painting which Shraddha has mostly made is made to order. And even this was made to order. This was in fact her first bike painting, and it came out really fabulous. As you guys know, it takes a really long time to make this. What time is it? 8 o'clock. 8:10. When did we start doing this? We started this at 7?
Sorry.
Probably. Time nahi dekhe.
More than that, actually.
It took us more than an hour to finish one painting of packing. The other one is still due. But the problem with paintings are they're very delicate items. So come here. They're not very heavy. And paintings like this are huge.
This is the bike painting. And look at how big that is. So this is a 4 feet by 5 feet canvas we have to pack.
So it
4
becomes.
feet by 3 feet.
Sorry, my mistake. 4 feet by 3 feet canvas.
Like this.
Not tough. It is
Time taking.
laborious. Yeah.
It was very, very laborious work. True that.
So there's a lot of thermocol which goes into it, a lot of bubble wrap, unfortunately, yes, a lot of plastic waste. But we need to find a reliable packing material.
Yeah, Mama will hit you, Ray.
Yesterday this fellow fell down his face, basically. He hurt himself on the nose, on the chin.
And we are actually we did look at a couple of your comments, and most of you guys were actually interested in the Himalayan 500 and also the TRK 502. So we are in talks with those companies. If possible, there will be a test drive very soon. Just
This fellow is kinchifying the camera.
so by saying this, I just want to say, please guys, good night. Happy Sunday, everyone. Happy weekday.
Monday for everybody. Sunday's over. I can say bye.